So yeah, although Brighton is a shithole, it is an amazing place to come and photograph. If you were wondering, there's the old hotel that burnt down.
The Royal Albion Hotel was a 3-star hotel on the corner of Old Stine and King's Road in the 18th century. Although it experienced a period of rundown and closure in the early 20th century, a fire in 1998 caused serious damage. However, another fire in 2023 seriously damaged the building, to the extent that demolition of the western part began on the 19th of July 2023.
There seems to be a lot of arson in Brighton. I don't know why, I just got no idea, but the pier burnt down, the pavilion burnt down, the hotels burnt down. I don't know what's going on in Brighton. I've got no clue whatsoever. But let's get back to doing some photos. Let's get under the pier. Have a look.
The Brighton Palace Pier, commonly known as Brighton Pier or the Palace Pier, is a greater listed pleasure pier established in 1899. It was the third pier to be constructed in Brighton, after the Royal Suspension Chain Pier and the West Pier.